we don't notice, say, because we for Live India, we get project monitoring team. People will be say they follow out things till they go for the state. They follow the congresses matter from ward level, which local government, which state, even can't reach the convention. No kata, nothing happen. Person no even talk say in fingernail, you just do mistake, it come off for your hand. I wanna say don't be say this crisis, it no happen.
You say every administration get your own style. So our own style not to engage the people. We say we don't check what they happen before. Now from down they climb tree. You understand? We see so say if the ground they big, up tiny, it better than make ground tiny, up come big, because it will collapse. So we don't want politics will go collapse for our head. So that was now governor can say, my deputy, we think on this way. We make sure say this Congress, we tell our people, make them go home. Everybody get where it come from. Make everybody go home. Go their ward meeting. From the ward meeting, make the whole meeting. We won't see, possibly even video, we won't see video, see everybody sign. Say all of our whole meeting, we choose these people. When I don't choose them, we will go check whether true now do sit down for me. So the politics we say let the people lead. We don't return them back to now. Oh yeah, Mona lead. So everybody go their own ward meeting. Me say go my ward meeting. We can't go do. We agree on the names where we want for our wards, for our various wards. Even when you reach local government, the same. When you reach state, the same thing. That is why when the list come now, everybody take ownership. Now my list be this. You know, when they pay you salary, when you collect them, if they get one kind of pride, for women, they open up for their purse. That purse, even if they cut the hand, you go cut. If you want to take that purse, you cut the hand joint. That's so they take bring and come beneath. And now make you not hear any shout. But before, one man go on write everything. Say, na me be leader, I go, you're right. Say, even for your own area, where on election day, you know go, now you there, you can't write name for your area. So this time, we not doing like that. We say, make everybody for their area take decision. So now say it happen. That makes fight no day. Even for national convention, you know, see as the thing just, people say, now after we do World Congress, they say, World Congress, more than watch when they want to do local government. When local government reach, they say more than watch when they want to do state. When state reach, they say, na national convention, they call scatter. When national convention reach, na jamboree will come go, you can't dance for themselves. Share yourself. So we call it digital politics. Digital politics. We don't change from analog to digital. Our people know what be digital, I know.
Okay. Now this Congress, it don't work, come, it don't go. Primaries, they come. They talk say this Congress will not do na consensus. The way you don't explain and finish. For people who don't understand the big English, now I say una sit down from word. We are leaders.
We agree.
We agree. Now this person. No be the direct primary. Say everybody will carry card. Go say okay, I won't begin the votes. Now this primary is where they come now. How I want to do am?
You know me, I know they do like this. Let me tell you. See, whether direct or consensus or not consensus. You know why I say on a consensus? All those people where, if you say, okay, leaders, wanna go home, wanna choose somebody. If they don't choose Mr. A, Mr. B can say he no agree. They say, okay, let's go and go do direct primary. You all know, say, those leaders, if they blink eye, 10 people will follow the eye. Another leader on the other side, blink another eye. Another 10 people follow. If 10 leaders blink eye, 10 people follow. Not be 100 be that. And what you need to win 100 votes, the person never win. No. So when we say consensus is the best. Why? Because we don't beg you. Say you see, because of A and B, this guy, we can't say you qualify or everybody qualify, but only one person go there. Make this guy go represent us. Let's see. If you no do well, you still there now. So if you say you no agree, no problem. But no say before leaders agree, say make we support this person. They don't know say this person if you win election. And they know say if you win, this better level where they go so, it no go change. But if the person now say no, I have to get money. The era of money don't pass for all those things. Influence 9 days now, no be money again. If you spend all the money, you no go win. All my election, no be money make me win. No. From House of Assembly, all of them, no money. All the people who they contest against me, they get money past me. It's like some of them serve, they feel employ me. They spend the money, but I me win the election. So what will they do now? Say, make everybody return to the masses, return to the people, feel the pulse of the people. Person will understand how streets dey. When you dey government, ain't gonna know how to deal with street matters. So, person will know how to do public relation, like you now. If you dey government, you know go sabi public relation. Doctor will go learn doctor. When accident take place somewhere, everybody dey run. The doctor go run. He go just go meet the parent. He go first. We get where he go touch. You go dey carry. Say no carry. You go just touch one thing. You go see person go dey breathe. Sir, if say no touch the place for that, but you no know because he na doctor. So this game, everybody sabi where he belong. But the truth say this our own. Our state. We don't start a process. We say consensus. That consensus is the best. If you say you want to do consensus, make everybody enter street. Papa and pikin go correct. Mama and pikin go correct. Brothers go they kill themselves. The next thing, they will go they sell houses. They will go they sell land. They go they borrow money. We say, no borrow money. No sell your house. Let us discuss. No be service. Why you go sell house when na serve you won't go serve? If truly you want serve, you don't go sell your house. You go do election. Why you go sell your house, go do election? Why we not just discuss, make one of us go? So we are bringing our people back, make them they talk to each other. Make we they show love to each other. Make we they understand with each other. Make we they put our brains together with each other. That is the meaning of the consensus. So that is why they talk now, say, we they wait for their primaries. The same way our Congress go. Now the same way the primaries will go. Because then now, they know they learn from history. They've talked, say, our Congress will scatter, will come out. Local government, Congress, will come out. State, will come out. National, will go do dance, go do wambe. Oshomole come and march. The primaries are the same, we go take go. Because we don't understand ourselves. And nobody for APC will go sell house to contest election. Nobody for APC will go borrow money contest election. Nobody. Because if you go borrow the money, how you want to pay back? The era of share the money, the era of free money don't pass. So everybody now must work for money. So if you go sell house, you know go fit make the money when you take sell the house back. So our politics now consensus policies. And the consensus of the same, me and you go sit down. We'll lock ourselves for room. We must agree. When we don't agree finish, 2 of us will go outside, go deliver the votes. If me and you agree, on election day, you no go vote for me. You go vote against me. No, me and you agree, say make me go. Or no, me and you agree, make you go. Me will agree, make you go. I'll make sure say you win now. Any person they follow me, go vote for you. That is the definition of the consensus. Not be only for primaries. Consensus go beyond primaries. Consensus say, as we don't agree so, we'll work like that for general election.